Hey guys, thanks for choosing to watch this video. And just right before I start, the entire video's audio will either be shot on the iPhone 11 Pro, which I'm recording with right now, or the iPhone 10. Alright, we are almost there, but with the snap of my fingers, we can be there in no time. So yeah, don't forget, the left side is the iPhone 10, and the right side is the iPhone 11 Pro. Here's some images for you. Because the iPhone 10 doesn't have the wide-angle camera like the iPhone 11 Pro, I will not be able to take some wide-angle photos. But here will be a comparison between the normal camera and the ultra-wide. And right now, it's actually really windy. So here's a wind audio test. I'm sorry for the audio. I know it sounds really bad. And here will be some front-facing cameras. As you can see, this clip right now is actually recorded with the front-facing camera. All right, enjoy. Alright, so those were the photos. I think that both of the phones, both the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 10, did a really great job. And of course, the iPhone 11 Pro is better because it's 2 years newer. And I hope this video really helped you understand which phone does what better. The iPhone 11 Pro has these special new portrait mode features that the iPhone 10 doesn't. And I didn't do any of those tests because that would just be unfair. And the ultra wide on the iPhone 11 Pro is amazing. It's really sad that the iPhone 10 doesn't. So if you were thinking of upgrading from the iPhone 10 to the iPhone 11 Pro, for the cameras alone, I wouldn't say so. Even though it's amazing, just remember your iPhone 10's camera is already basically one of the best in the whole world. So if you're just planning on upgrading from the iPhone 10 to the iPhone 11 Pro only because of the cameras, it's not worth it. But if you're looking for something else, like better battery life, the iPhone 11 Pro will definitely give it to you. So be sure to subscribe because in a few days, my iPhone 11 Pro review will drop. And yeah, this is just the entire video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Okay, click something on the screen right now to continue watching, or press the subscribe button. This is the end of the video, and bye.